Are your apps stuck on waiting or simply not downloading from the App Store on your iPhone or iPad? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several simple solutions that can help fix the problem and get your apps downloading again. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap your Apple account at the top. From here, make sure you're signed in correctly. If necessary, you can sign out and sign back in to refresh your Apple account connection. Next, go back to the main settings page and tap Screen Time. Then select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure these restrictions aren't preventing apps from being installed. Check the settings under App Store, Media, Web and Games, or the available app installation restrictions on your version of iOS, and make sure installing apps is allowed. You should also check the App Store settings. Go back to Settings, scroll down, and tap Apps, then App Store. Look for the settings related to app downloads, and make sure downloads are allowed over your preferred connection. If your apps are still stuck, the problem could be your internet connection. Open Control Center and turn on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back off and reconnect to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Also, try switching to another Wi-Fi network if possible. A weak or unstable connection can prevent apps from downloading properly. And finally, if nothing has worked so far, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power and volume button, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and then turn your iPhone back on. After restarting, open the App Store and try downloading the app again. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.